Hi guys, in today's video I will show you that how you can download and install the Snapchat app on your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. So first you have to just open up your any browser and here in the Google search box just type the Snapchat. When you type it, just hit the enter and now open up the first website of snapchat.com. So once you open your Snapchat website, you need to find the install option on the top, and if you don't find, click on the three dot option and now you will look for the option of save and share, and here you will find the option of create shortcut. And if you don't find the option of install Facebook on the top, then you can go to the save and share again, click on the install page as app, and then it will give you the option to install Snapchat. Just click on the install and then it will start downloading and installing into your PC. So now the Snapchat app was installed on your PC and you can do anything, and the Snapchat shortcut was also added to your desktop, and here you can just simply log into your account and start using it. And guys, this is how you can download and install the Snapchat app on your PC or laptop. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.